Building digital products means juggling ideas, development, listings, revenue, content, and feedback, usually across 5 different tools. What if it all lived in one place? This is the Digital Product Creator OS, a complete Notion workspace that tracks your entire product business from one dashboard. At the top, you've got live metrics that update automatically, products in development, revenue this month, active listings, and ideas in your pipeline. Below that, your focus items for the week, recent sales, upcoming content, and anything that needs your attention. The sidebar gives you one-click actions: log a new idea, record a sale, plan content, or add a listing, and the menu panel takes you straight into any database. Let me show you a few. The Product Hub is where every product lives, from first idea to post-launch. You can see status, priority, deadline, and a progress bar that calculates automatically. Click into any product and you'll see it's connected to your listings, revenue entries, and content, all linked through relations. No manual cross-referencing. Every sale gets logged in the revenue dashboard. You enter the gross amount and the system automatically pulls the platform fee from your listing, calculates the fee amount, and gives you net revenue. It even knows which platform each sale came from, all through roll-ups, not manual entry. Here's where it gets powerful. Watch what happens when I log a new sale. I'll add an entry, enter the gross revenue, and link it to a listing. Instantly, the net revenue calculates, the platform fee pulls from the listing, and back on the dashboard, revenue MTD updates in real time. One entry, everything connected. You also get a content calendar to plan launches and marketing, and a feedback log that tracks customer reviews with star ratings, source, and improvement ideas linked back to your products. The Digital Product Creator OS. All necessary connected databases, automatic calculations, and a dashboard that runs your entire product business. Grab it now and start building.